Earn $500 a day from your phone. 12 different ways. Welcome to Cash Street, where cash is always king. The 12 side hustles that we're going to cover in today's video can help you earn up to $500 or more per day if you have a phone, which is likely the case if you're watching this video right now. Now, many of you are going to think that the first side hustle is a joke because I found it funny when I first saw it until I finally understood it wasn't a joke. What if I could convince you to buy your poop? I know that sounds like a joke for kids, but bear with me. This business, Human Microbes, will actually pay you for your stool, a polite way of saying poop. We need your poop, not that we want it. It's all right here, but it's also important to note that they have extremely tight standards for the stool that they choose. So why precisely do they want your stool? Well, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Who would have thought that some poops are better than others? What's even crazier is the absurd amount of money that this company will pay you for your stool. They'll pay you $500 per stool donation, which means if you're having a bowel movement every single day, then you can make as much as $180,000 per year with this side hustle. Therefore, in the future, remember that every time you have a bowel movement, you are literally flushing money down the toilet. Give a poop change your life. I'll give it 1 out of 10. It may sound absurd, but there are websites like Friend PC Rent a Friend and Papa that will pay you to be a virtual friend for someone who is lonely. Yes, these websites are legitimate, and you can make money by simply texting someone. Admittedly, there are some strange statements on these websites, like I am the one you need, but I am not sure if you're the one I need. But seriously, all of these websites are legitimate, but I think Papa is the best and most reliable one. However, with Papa specifically, you can make as much as $3,000 per month by being a Papa Pal. Now, I'm just going to say this. Okay, obviously guys, be safe and use common sense. Your friendships with these random strangers on the internet should be strictly conversational. That should be obvious. And you can definitely place your net as wide as possible by using the other two sites as well in addition to Papa on average. I'll give it a 2 out of 10 because it's generally not bad. But we've got much better side jobs coming up that pay much more. The Upside is an app that gives you money back for everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and restaurants. But where this app really makes the difference is the money back that it gives you on gas. As you can see, the app is showing me gas stations near me and how much I would pay for a gallon of gasoline. This next one is not really a side hustle, as it is just an additional way to make money and save money on things that you do on a daily basis. However, considering the cashback I would receive for each gallon, even though the price of gas at this particular station is currently about $3.33 per gallon, I would actually pay $3.10 per gallon. All you would need to do is tap right here to make your claim, go to the gas station within 4 hours, buy your gas, and that's it. You'll receive cashback after your purchase. Your savings will mount up quite rapidly over time. I'll give it 2 out of 10. I've discussed websites like the Faux app and Snapwire in prior videos. These websites will offer you a respectable payment for any photos you upload using only your phone. But I recently discovered a website that is even better and offers a much higher payment. If you haven't noticed, many of these images sell for close to $350 per image on the stock photography website IM. All you have to do is to go to im.com, and from there, you can quickly create an account, click on for contributors, then sell your work, and then start selling your work. Now, how much you make will solely depend on how aesthetically pleasing and appealing your images are. But with most images on this site selling for around $350 and with them giving you a 55 cut on every single sale, you can expect to earn about $192 per image sold, which is not bad. I'm giving this a 2 out of 10 on the money scale. Hey, really quickly, if you want 12 free stocks worth up to $36,000 just for opening a free Webull account, make sure to register an account and invest only 1 cent to receive 12 free stocks worth up to $36,000. This is effectively free money. Proofreading is a side job with a low entry barrier. You can start with just your phone if you know some basic writing and editing rules and speak English. You don't need an English degree to work as a proofreader. Apps like Grammarly, which you can download for free, will automatically review spelling, grammar, punctuation, clarity, engagement, and delivery errors in your writing. To actually find work, Simply go to sites like Clickworker, Fiverr, and Upwork. You can expect to earn between $15 and $100 per hour as a proofreader. Just in case you don't believe me as proof that this is true, there are jobs out there. I recently hired a proofreader and copywriter on Upwork for $95 per hour to assist me with the About page on my website. If that's not enough evidence for you, then I'm not sure what to tell you. 3 out of 10 on the money scale. There are countless people like me who are searching for help with tasks like proofreading. This next side business could potentially earn you up to $5,000 or more per month if you've always been an excellent note-taker and student in general. StudyPool is a website where you can upload documents, like previous notes you've taken, and sell them to several millions of students. To begin, go to studypool.com, tap on the small icon at the upper right of your phone screen, tap on Sell Docs, and then click on the button that says Start Selling Documents Now. You could see for yourself that top contributors are making tens of thousands of dollars just for posting their notes on their website. And the way it works is every single time someone sees a document that you upload to the site, you'll earn $10 for each view. And with thousands and millions of active users on this website, that can gradually add up very fast. I wasn't good in school, but making $5,000 per month as a side hustle is an A+. So I'm giving this a 3 out of 10. Now, I know that the majority of you love watching YouTube. I think you're viewing it right now, but all the different videos you observe have a lot of moving parts. And believe it or not, the thumbnail, which is the picture you tap on when you see video users want to watch, is one of the most essential aspects of any video. Because the thumbnail is such an essential element of the video, many YouTube users actually entrust the creation of their thumbnails to someone else. This is where you come in. You'll use websites like Fiverr and Upwork to find YouTube users who need custom thumbnails. You can do this in one of 2 ways, either by posting gigs on Fiverr and waiting for YouTubers to contact you, or by actively looking for YouTubers who may have posted jobs on Upwork looking for a thumbnail designer. You can also post gigs on Upwork Project Catalog. Once you start working with clients, you'll use the Canva mobile app to create the thumbnails using pre-made templates and then give them your own unique touch. Many people have turned this into full-time careers, but even if you only wanted to do it as a side hustle, you can expect to earn about $1,100 or more per week just doing it part-time once you've established a good pipeline of clients. So I'll give it a 4 out of 10. Industries like Lime and Bird offer electric scooters that you can find on the street, lease with a smartphone app, and drop off almost anywhere you want. While this is undoubtedly a good idea, the issue with these scooters is that they do need to be charged at a certain point. And this right now is where you come in. Using your phone, you can download apps like Lime to sign up to become a scooter charger, or as Lime calls it, a lime juicer. The way it works is very straightforward. You basically go around your town and pick up scooters that need charging. The app will show you where the scooters are. After you pick them up, you then bring them home to be charged. On average, you'll make between $5 and $12 per scooter. For instance, if you charge 10, well, that's between $50 and $120 just for several hours. That's actually great, 4 out of 10. Some of the biggest companies in the world use the app Field Agent to have agents perform a variety of tasks for their business. For example, using the app, you collect information for brands and retailers by snapping pictures, expressing opinions, and completing other tasks. And most of these tasks can be done with just your phone. You must have heard me discuss this app in another video, but I couldn't help but not include it in this video because it is a side hustle that you can do. Additionally, getting started is simple. Just download the Field Agent app, reserve a job, and finish it. After that, a field agent will review your submission, and if it is approved, you will receive payment in cash through direct deposit into your bank account. I'm going to give this a solid 5 out of 10, considering that many individuals have claimed to make between $100 and $300 each day using this as a side hustle. The majority of people use Google.com every day of their lives without even realizing it. Google makes a lot of money from the ads that are displayed on the search result pages, and many businesses will pay people a lot of money to make these clear and concise ads for them. If you don't believe me, go to Upwork.com and type in Google Ads. You'll find Google Ads specialists earning $100 per hour, with some even having earnings of over $1 million. They are known as Google Ads specialists, and becoming one is very simple. You could potentially make even more money than you do at your current day job. Now, I understand that many of you are thinking, yeah, but I have no knowledge of Google Ads, so I can't do this side business. However, if you visit skillshopwithgoogle.com, a site developed by Google, you can receive free training on how to become a Google Ads specialist. This is not a difficult task, especially after receiving the free training, and as you have already seen earlier, Google Ads specialists can easily earn over $100. I'm giving this one a clean Google approved 7 out of 10. The next side business is so profitable that I might not even tell you guys about it. Instead, I might just do it for myself and pocket the entire profit. I'm kidding, but I'll still tell you what a notary is. If you don't know, a notary is a person who is authorized by law to act as a witness at the signing of significant documents like loans, bills of sale, and etc. For instance, if someone sells a car to someone else on classified ads, in many states the bill of sale must be notarized or a notary must sign it, which requires you to travel to a notary, which is very inconvenient. However, if you're a mobile notary, you can travel to the person who needs the document signed, offering a convenient service for which many people are willing to pay significantly more. In most states, becoming a notary is relatively simple and requires only the completion of an application and the payment of a small filing fee. In some states, you may also be required to take a training course or pass an exam. The amount you can expect to make from this side job depends on the type of documents you're actually notarizing. For instance, if you're signing important loan documents, you can expect to make between $100 and $200. Then, without factoring in any potential travel expenses, general signings for unimportant documents will typically pay you between $10 and $30 per signing. As an illustration, the girl in this room who did this as a side job made $9,690 in a single month. Currently, I haven't had this rating notarized, but I will soon. I'll evaluate it at 9 out of 10. Low-content books, also known as LCBs, are an extraordinary way to make well over 6 figures per year from the comfort of your home. To be completely honest with you, I'm not sure why more people aren't talking about this last side hustle. After all, low-content books are simply books with little to no content on the interior pages because the content is intended to be filled out by the user. The incredible thing about this is you actually don't need any previous design expertise in the field because there is actually a bunch of great application out there that can help you design these types of books. There are people making as much as $17,000 per month by selling low-content books. So once you're able to get things running and you found a proper publisher, you can think of things like journals, coloring books, word games, crossword puzzles, planners, things like that. Please leave a comment below if you'd like me to create a step-by-step tutorial showing how to create LCBs from scratch and earn life-changing income if you do. If enough people do, I'll create the video. You guys are all amazing and I truly appreciate each and every one of you watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and as always, I will see you again very soon. Take care! If you haven't already done so, please drop a like down below or subscribe to the channel. Thank you from Cash Street, where cash is always king.